So today we have cancelled all our shoots.
It's a very special day at Food Fusion. Yes, Find My Adventures is bringing Chen to Pakistan.
And we are really excited to host him at Food Fusion Studios. And we have prepared some of our best dishes for him. So let's go and check out what's happening in the kitchen.
Come on. Oh, wait. Did I tell you who Chen is? He's a very famous YouTuber. He's known all over the world. His content revolves around food, travel and science. He's finally coming to Pakistan. A lot of people wanted him here. We finally have the opportunity to present Pakistan to him. Let's see what's happening in our kitchen. Come on. तो सदफ आप क्या बना रही हैं?
आज बहुत ज़बरदस्त से चपली कबाब बन रहे हैं, साथ में चटखारेदार चाट बन रही है और बेहतरीन से बन कबाब बन रहे हैं।
सीमा इज़ हियर, शी इज़ आल्सो मेकिंग सम ग्रेट फूड। खुशबू बड़ी अच्छी आ रही है। क्या बन रहा है
आज मैं अपनी दो फेवरेट डिशेस गाजर का हलवा और बारबेक्यू राइस बना रही हूँ।
Nice to meet you,
So me and my wife Saima, we started Food Fusion
great.
about 3 years ago.
Wow, look at that. That's so pretty.
This is just starting. The food is coming.
Oh my goodness.
Yes,
We're at the Food Fusion Studio. This is us. Thanks for having me.
Thank you.
So we're gonna do a little eating. We're gonna do a little talking.
Yes, we have some very special dishes for you. So we made gajar ka halwa for you. We made barbecue rice, which is a fusion, which is just
Barbecue rice. Okay.
Yeah, so we also have the traditional Karachi ka bun kebab,
Kebabs.
that you might have had already in Karachi, but we have a homemade version of it.
Oh, nice.
And then we have chana chaat. We have Chapli kebab.
Oh my God, it's like a 12-course meal.
And we have Kashmiri chai.
Oh my gosh.
Kashmiri tea. You've been taken care of by Find My Adventure.
Yes, Find My Adventure.
We also went with Find My Adventure to Upper Hunza a few months ago, and we had a great experience.
Yeah.
Our main objective here is to promote tourism in our country.
Sure. Yeah.
To promote tourism in Pakistan and tell the world that what great food we have.
And you should be. Yes.
And people like you are, where we like-minded people meet, and we can tell all the world that Pakistan is not what you hear on the media, and it's something which is we have a lot more to offer. And you're gonna get a taste of a little bit right here. You're gonna get the food.
All right.
The first.
That looks pretty.
So this is
Chana chaat.
Oh wow.
Spiced and sweet chutney. There's yogurt and there's green chutney.
Oh wow, it's so colorful. Oh man. Oh, you got a little bit of everything going on here. Oh, nice. Chickpeas and the potatoes are the starchy element.
It's a famous street food of Pakistan.
Wow. Well, nice little tortillas in there. Fried tortilla, that's the only way I can describe it as.
Yeah, so we call it papdi.
This flavor is so nice. A little bit of sweet, a little bit of chili.
You can adjust with the, if you want.
I don't feel like I need any adjustment. I think don't mess with perfection, you know? I love the crunchy and the starchy element. Because if you don't have the crunch, it's too soft. This is a fun dish. Like, I mean, it's refreshing as well as fulfilling. It's really good. It's got, seriously, all sorts of different flavors coming together. And I like that slow burn on my tongue.
Good. Thank you.
Good job. Thanks.
This is called a panjiri. It's made with dry fruit, whole wheat flour, and clarified butter.
So this is, you just eat it as is?
You just eat it as is, yeah.
Oh, that's so good. It's very crunchy.
Yes.
And very buttery at the same time.
Yes.
And I wish like edible gum, like I wish 5-year-old me knew about edible gum because I was eating my gum, not that you're supposed to. This is something I feel like would be good on, let's say, ice cream. Or I mean, I would totally add this.
That would be a very good fusion.
I would totally add this on ice cream. And I feel like this is something that's like it's so aromatic too.
Yes.
Like when you're chewing it, more flavor
And
just
there's
releases.
a little bit of black pepper in it as well.
Yeah,
You'll
no,
find
this is
that
great.
kick. Yeah.
It's so interesting. It's, I mean, I never thought this would be just like you eat it on its own, which is already good. But this on top of things, I think would just be tremendous.
So this is we're showing off all our cutlery and everything.
So, well, a bun kebab.
This is a bun kebab.
It's like a desi burger.
I had a version of this at McDonald's.
Yes.
Right? A bun kebab. Yeah,
Yes.
I remember having this.
But this one has purely street style cake. So
Oh no, I'm sure yours is gonna be way better. Like I'm not even disputing
So
that.
give it a try.
Okay.
Give it a try.
So
and you have to dip it in the chutney.
Okay. First of all, like this is so pretty with this little thin layer of eggs, and
egg.
oh my
kebab,
gosh.
And there's sauces and vegetables inside.
You know what I love is whenever I pick up a sandwich or a burger and I see like the sauces soaked into the bun. Like I don't want that to escape. So for me, that is just like a sight of such good, delicious, juicy burger or sandwich. Oh. I'll be honest, man. I didn't like this at McDonald's. I was like, oh, what is this? Okay.
See,
This is
that's
perfect.
mass production version versus.
Oh wow, this is perfect. This chutney is a work of art. What I really like, I think this thing is perfect with this chutney. That's so good. McDonald's, learn from these guys.
This is
Barbecue rice.
Barbecue rice.
Barbecue rice. I'll tell you, just seeing that makes me salivate. Look at this. Rice, layer of veggies, and then chicken with, this is the barbecue sauce, I assume. Oh wow. This is fantastic. This thing, what I like about it, it's like American barbecue is very sweet. It's very sweet. But this is like, it's got a hint of sweetness, but it's also got that nice little, was that tamarind or some sort of little citrusy flavor?
Yeah,
Yeah.
so the sauce has mayonnaise. We have, I think,
Mayonnaise and
sriracha.
ketchup.
What is the sour flavor here?
There's a little bit of sriracha.
Oh, this is a really...
This is our recipe which millions of people have tried, and we've got about
They
5-6
love
million
it.
views for this recipe. So
Oh, this is a fantastic recipe. The thing about this is that I feel like, you know, it's really hard to, I think you're using white meat, right?
Yeah.
That's what I thought. It's really hard to make white meat stay juicy and soft. And that's like if you don't do that right, the dish is kind of ruined
Yeah,
because
it
like it
gets-
just becomes like this little cubes of cardboard. But that is so tender
Yeah.
and juicy. And the sauce just like completely penetrates the chicken. Yeah, I like the sourness of it. I do. I anything with a little bit of citrus, a little bit of sourness, like tamarind, or the use of vinegar. A lot of times I put ketchup in my recipes too, for that hint of sourness. This is really good. Good job.
thank you.
Great. Delicious here.
Chapli kebab.
There we go. Chapli kebab.
There you go.
This is probably the most aromatic thing. I mean, I smell it before I'm eating it. Like it's just this crazy fragrance coming out of this. It smells so fatty and beefy. And oh man, that's a lot of juice in there. And inside it's beef.
More like
It's beef.
crispy.
It's
from
all
outside.
beef.
It's all beef and little bits of
beef,
a
and
lot
you
of herbs.
Yes.
Yes.
Red chili,
You find
tomatoes,
coriander
onion.
seeds?
Yeah, coriander seeds. Mm-hmm.
And you'll find pomegranate seeds.
Pomegranate seeds.
Yes, pomegranate seeds.
Interesting. Oh my god. Wow. That's crispy. Crispy and toasty. And yeah, exactly. Soft on the inside. What I love about food here in Pakistan, I love that almost every dish is spicy. You know what? It's like, when people come here, they're like, I don't want any spicy food. All right, then you're not eating me. Like, I love how the meat just kind of falls apart after you go through the initial crunch of it.
Now I'll bring dessert. I'll bring
Okay,
it.
let's do it.
Okay. So this is
Wow.
gajar ka halwa. Let me just explain.
Winter special.
This winter special.
Wow. Okay.
Carrots.
And carrots inside, right?
Yeah.
Look at that. A lot of nuts,
Yes.
a lot of milk, and I saw this dessert, but I haven't had it yet. I saw it around because
Yeah.
a lot of vendors.
It's like a delicacy. It's not.
Ooh, it smells so good. It smells like a bread pudding almost. Wow. I love the nuts in here. The carrots is like.
So these carrots you will only find here in Pakistan.
It's very
So
sweet.
this is not the orange carrot. This is the red carrot which is available in winter only.
What is so different between the orange carrot and the red carrot?
These are sweet.
I was guessing that because I tasted the carrot. It was sweeter than like the regular carrot.
Yes.
And I felt like it was more of the natural sweetness. But I didn't know whether it was because it was like sugar added or what. But it's got a more of a carrot flavor as well. And I feel like than the other carrots. It's like this crazy like dish where it's almost like a carrot pudding. Like what we have like a bread pudding. It's almost like a carrot pudding in that sense.
Yes.
But I love the crunch. I feel like the nuts is very necessary.
Yeah, this is
Otherwise,
very
it's
part
too
of it.
soft.
Yes.
You gotta have some nuts.
The
in there.
crunch is very important.
Yeah. Nuts are good in desserts, bad when it comes to friends.
Okay, so we have Kashmiri chai. This is pink tea. We call it out the color. The more you cook it, the more the color intensifies.
Wow. Such a great fragrance to it.
Yeah.
So inside, this is tea, milk tea.
Yes.
I love your cup, by the way. What was that? Pistachios?
Yeah, these are pistachios. Again, dry fruit.
Dry fruit. Oh, this is amazing. Oh, this is really, really nice. The nuts is so important in this. Like you're having the milk tea, which is really good too, but the nuts just releases like certain oils and aromas that the milk tea doesn't have. It's so nice to be able to drink some of the tea and then have a different flavor profile completely when you start chewing it.
So let's bring the chefs in.
Bring in the
Yeah.
heroes, the actual heroes of this whole thing. Hi! Welcome to
This is Seema and this is Sadaf.
Hi, how are you? Nice to meet you. Thank you for the food. I really appreciate it. I loved it. Thank you so much.
Yes, so
Yeah.
let's bring everyone
Let's
here.
do it.
Aajay, sare aajay.
For sure.
Let's take some pictures.
Guys, thank you again.
Thanks
so much.
again. We are so happy that Mike Chen came to Pakistan and Find My Adventure brought Mike Chen to Pakistan. हमारे स्टूडियो आया, he loved every single dish, everything that we served him, and we hope that he enjoys Pakistan the rest of his trip as well. पाकिस्तान का एक पॉजिटिव इमेज पोर्ट्रे करना हमारा मिशन है और हम ये करके रहेंगे. माइक चैन वाज आवर गेस्ट टुडे. जिसी तरह से बहुत सारे लोग आएंगे और उन सबको हम एक ही मैसेज देंगे, पाकिस्तान आए, देखें, हमारी हॉस्पिटैलिटी को देखें और पूरी दुनिया को बता दें. Until next time, पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद.
अरे वाह.